Today I want to give you a quick example of what tire noise sounds like and how it differs from a bad wheel bearing. This car came in with the customer worried about a wheel bearing issue, but as you'll hear, the sound is coming more from the rear tires. Notice how the rumbling noise stays loud even at low speeds, around 15 miles per hour. In fact, when I slow down, it almost becomes more pronounced, and you can still feel it until the vehicle nearly comes to a complete stop. Here's the key difference. With wheel bearings, the sound usually changes pitch when you shift the car side to side, and they're often quiet at very low speeds before getting much louder as you drive faster. Tire noise, on the other hand, doesn't really change when you load the car side to side. It stays consistent, sometimes even louder as you decelerate. In this case, the tread on the tire is wavy, and that uneven wear is what's creating this constant rumble. So while it may sound like a bearing at first, this is a classic example of tire noise. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you tell the difference on your own vehicle.